Don't bother to clean your old fan last year, and instead buy a new cheap one for this summer and then toss it out. But if you're feeling wasteful, today I'll share 3 ways to clean a fan that's been gathering dust in storage. A friend of mine bragged about buying an expensive fan last year, but this year it broke while cleaning. It's frustrating to buy a fan to stay cool and then have to replace it because of a cleaning mishap. In this video, I'll guide you through the disassembly, cleaning tips, and storage tricks for your fan.
Isn't it just about unscrewing some bolts and taking it apart?
Not exactly. If you just start unscrewing without knowing how, you might end up needing new parts or rendering your fan useless. I used to want to toss mine into the washer, but once I learned the proper way, it was surprisingly simple. Yet each fan has different assembly methods, and some come pre-assembled, so it's crucial to know how to disassemble yours. You can't use it for a long time if you don't know the right way to disassemble. Here's a basic guide for a standard fan. Most fans have a safety grill held by a single screw and a twist mechanism. First, how to remove the front grill. You need to unscrew the fixed screws with a screwdriver. At this time, you should avoid using electric drills, which can cause the product being worn out, making it difficult to reassemble and fix later. So it is better to use a Phillips screwdriver to disassemble. Then turn the grill anti-clockwise to release it, exposing the blades and rear grill. Next, how to remove the blades and rear grill. Twist the blade lock nut clockwise to take off the blades. Be careful not to cut yourself on the sharp edges. After removing the blades, twist the rear grill lock nut anti-clockwise to release and finally remove the rear grill.
It's not possible to detach the blade from the rear grill for mine?
Some fans don't allow the blades and rear grill to be removed, especially pre-assembled ones. In those cases, you would not be able to reassemble back if you detach the blades from the rear grill, so just detach the front grill from blades and clean them without disassembling further.
Then, how to clean the dust on the blades and the rear grill.
You can't clean them with water without disassembling. In that case, you can use a soft cloth to rub and remove the dusts. Most of them are divided into these two, but if not, you need to find a customized way to disassemble and clean the specific fan.
So how do you properly clean your fan with water?
Thinking about tossing it in the washing machine? That would definitely break it. The key to water cleaning is to avoid damaging the product. So mix some soap or mild detergent in water, then use a soft cloth to gently wipe down the parts. Then rinse each part with clean water. After washing, use a dry cloth to thoroughly remove any remaining moisture. Again, be extra careful with sharp edges to avoid cutting yourself. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your fan. Looking at the disassembled parts might seem daunting, but reassembly is just the reverse of disassembly. First, attach the rear safety grill and secure it by turning the rear grill lock nut clockwise. Next, align the blade's back notch with the pin on the rotating shaft and attach it. Secure the blade with the blade lock nut by turning it anti-clockwise. Make sure to tighten it enough so the blade doesn't come loose during use. Finally, align the front safety grill, attach it by turning it clockwise, and secure it with the screw at the bottom using a screwdriver. And that's it. Your fan is disassembled, cleaned, and reassembled, ready for use. How should you store your fan when summer ends and you no longer need it? Without proper storage, you've cleaned your fan and put it away, only to find it covered in dust next year. To avoid this, you should cover your fan with a plastic or fabric cover. When searching for covers, you might find many options and sizes, which can be overwhelming. From my experience, this particular product is the most convenient for storing fans. The bag is large enough to fit any fan, and it comes with a multi-purpose tie to secure it easily. So when you're not using your fan, make sure to cover it with a plastic or fabric cover to keep it dust-free, just like I do. However, some of you might need a new circulator because the old one is too outdated, or you need one for air circulation at home. For those people, I will recommend a few cost-effective and easy-to-clean products. The first one is the Foxlone fan. I was looking for a powerful, quiet, and easy-to-clean fan, so stick around because this might just be the perfect fit for you as well. Do you need a fan that can circulate air up to 70 feet, keep you cool without the noise, and is a breeze to clean? Then you are in the right place. Let's dive into why the Foxlone fan stands out from the rest. It It is just around $30 to $40 of reasonable price, yet super cost effective. The first one to look at is its power. 70 feet airflow means the air would travel from the ground floor to the 10th floor, of course at the maximum setting. You do not need several fans for a large house, but just one Dre Fox one. Whether it's my kitchen, bedroom, living room, or office, this fan has got me covered. And since I'm sensitive to noise, this fan is a game changer. It reduces noise to just 28 decibel, making it perfect for a quiet, comfortable night. It rather feels like ASMR to me, and I sleep soundly. Cleaning fans can be a hassle, but not with the Dre Fox Zone. It's designed to be super easy to clean, with parts that can be easily removed, so the air stays fresh and the fan stays efficient. Next is the Honeywell TurboForce E904 air circulator fan. Whether you're battling the summer heat or just need some extra airflow, this little powerhouse promises to deliver. With less than $20, it provides pretty powerful airflow for its size. So this compact fan is perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, and it can be placed on the floor, a desk, or even mounted on the wall. Despite its size, it's designed with Honeywell's aerodynamic turbo technology, which means you can feel its cooling power from up to 25 feet away, capability to cover a caravan fully enough. It also comes with 3-speed options and a 90-degree pivoting head, allowing you to customize your comfort. It's incredibly quiet too, making it ideal for bedrooms or offices where you need a peaceful environment. And let's not forget the stylish design. Its sleek profile easily blends into any decor, making it a practical and aesthetic addition to any room. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can move it around your home or office effortlessly. For those who are lack at space, Honeywell A904 would be the solution with low cost incurred. Last but not least, if you're looking for a budget-friendly fan that gets the job done with minimal fuss, this is it. From its energy efficiency to its portable design, the Amazon Basics fan checks all the boxes for a reliable summer companion. First off, this fan is all about efficiency and compactness. With the size of small cushion on your couch, it fits perfectly on any desk or floor without taking up too much space. Whether you put it in a bedroom, living room, or home office, it keeps you cool and comfortable. Now let's talk performance. It offers 3-speed settings of low, medium, and high, controlled by a back-mounted knob. And let me tell you, even on the lowest setting, it delivers a surprising amount of airflow, perfect for those times when you just need a gentle breeze or a bit more cooling power. If you've used one of these fans, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For other cool appliances, hit like and stay tuned.